Hello friends, welcome to Pritha's Gallery. Today we are going to make honey garlic prawns. It's very delicious dish and very easy to make. So let's try. For this recipe first I am taking 2 tablespoons of maida means all purpose flour, then 1 tablespoon of corn flour, mixing together. Then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add more. And after chili powder, I am going to add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And then I am taking little bit of pepper powder. And I am taking half teaspoon of salt with this and mixing all together. Not taking too much salt because later also I am going to use some salt for the sauce. So this is the batter is ready for the coating of the prawns. The prawns I have washed nicely and kept on a dry place. And now one by one prawns I am coating with that powder what we made and keeping separately on a plate. So once all the prawns are done, then I am going to fry those. So in the same way, one by one prawns I am going to coat nicely and keep on the plate. Now I am taking a frying pan and applying some oil on it. And once the oil is hot, I am going to add the prawns one by one. So on the oil, I am going to apply little bit of salt so that the prawns will not stick on it. And once it is completely hot, then I am going to add the prawns. Now it's hot. I am putting one by one, not all together. And once one side is done, then I am going to turn the prawns. One side is almost done. I don't need to cook for long time, otherwise the prawns will be hard. Only for little time we need to cook it. And once it is done, I'll turn off the gas, and then on another pan I am making the sauce. So 2 tablespoons of honey I am taking first. If your quantity is more, you can take more honey. So 2 tablespoons with 2 tablespoons of honey I am going to add 1 tablespoon of water. The flame will be medium. In this medium flame I am going to cook it for little time. Then adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce in it. And after a few minutes, I am going to add few things like half teaspoon of chili. Before also we have added little chili powder, and now I have added half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add little more. And I am going to add little bit salt also in it, because half salt I have used in that powder for coating, and now I am going to use half of the salt. And then I am using 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. In low flame, I am going to cook it for a little while. Don't burn it. Slowly you need to cook. It will take little time, but it's okay. Adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. At this stage you can add little bit of fresh pepper also, pepper powder. Mix it well. The sauce is almost done. Let's fry the prawns for little time. You can make the flame high, and in high flame cook for a little while, and then I'm going to add these fried prawns in this sauce, and we have to mix the prawns with the sauce very well. Prawns is actually very soft, so you don't need to cook for a long time. So our sauce is ready and prawns also cooked. Now it's time to mix. Because the sauce I am making in very low flame, so that it is taking little time. Now I am going to add. I must say this prawns dish, if you are going to make for your kids, they will enjoy it. Please try it. It will give you a very special spicy sweet bites, and your kids will definitely love to eat it. Now the flame I am going to switch off, and I am going to pour this sauce on the top of the prawns, and then it's time to mix. This time the flame should be low. Once the sauce is mixed very properly with the prawns, then I am going to add some sesame seeds from the top and some spring onions. So I have added the sesame seeds, and now it's time for spring onions, and it's done. The dish is ready. So mix it well and then remove it from the gas. Now it's time to serve. I'll show you. So slowly you can take the prawns out for the plating, and you can add little more spring onion if you want from the top of it for garnishing, and then you can serve it. Even you can add little coriander leaves also. So now my honey garlic prawns are ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please try the recipe at home and let me know how it is. And if you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the notification bell for further videos. And thanks for watching my videos. Please give support.